Hello students, I am Andhare sir and I will teach you maths. Okay? Today we start arithmetic progression, chapter number 2F. Chapter number 2F. Okay? So the name of chapter is arithmetic progression. Now what is progression and then after what is arithmetic? I think you studied in 10th class arithmetic mean. Yes, am I right? Arithmetic mean. Similarly, arithmetic progression. Now what is progression? So before we see progression, first we will have some terminology which is related to progression. Clear? So now tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash dash dash. Okay? Now this dash 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 or point point point. Okay? How many points? I mentioned only 3 points. It indicates that the numbers are and so on. That means infinite. Clear? तो जब भी बेटा आपको इनफाइनाइट शो करना हो तो आप ऐसा डैश 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 करके शो नहीं करना. दिस इज रॉन्ग. आपको सिर्फ क्या करना है, 3 बार डॉट लगा दिए. ये इंडिकेट करता है कि ये क्या है, इनफाइनाइट एंड सो ऑन, अनलिमिटेड. क्लियर? नाउ द नंबर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 1, 2, 3, 4 डैश डैश डैश. इट मीन्स इट इज कॉल्ड नेचुरल नंबर. क्या कहते हैं इसको? Natural number. Now if we write whole number, so put just 0 in front of natural number. क्या आएगा? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash 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 और dot dot dot. Only 3 dots. Okay? So whole number. So capital N means natural number, capital W means whole number, right? So take one example. 2, 4, 6, 8 dash dash dash. Okay? Now this is the pattern. ये पैटर्न है 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, then 4, after 4, 6, after 6, 8. That means next number is 10. Why? Because the difference of consecutive two numbers is 2. See, 2, 4 difference is 2. 4, 6 difference is 2. 6, 8 difference is 2. That means next number is 10. Difference is 2. Next number is 12, 14 dash dash dash. So this is called sequence. This is called sequence. So what is the definition of sequence? If the numbers are arranged in definite order, then it is called sequence. तो बेटा सीक्वेंस की क्या पहचान रहेगी? डिफरेंस कैसा रहना चाहिए? सेम. किसमें? जैसे फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट क्या डिफरेंस है बेटा? 2. फिर नेक्स्ट 2 डिजिट हम फर्स्ट और थर्ड नहीं देखेंगे, कंसेक्यूटिव लगे हुए, ओके। तो ये दोनों लगे हुए हैं, तो इन दोनों के बीच कितने का डिफरेंस है? 2 का। 4 और 6 में भी कितने का डिफरेंस है? 2 का। 6 और 8 में भी कितने का डिफरेंस है? 2 का। क्लियर? तो आप इन्हें कह सकते हैं, ये क्या है? एक सीक्वेंस। क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सीक्वेंस? इफ the numbers are arranged in definite order, okay, then it is called sequence. Clear? Now take one more example. Let fn is equal to 2n plus 1. Fn is equal to 2n plus 1 function, and which is denoted by fn is equal to 2n plus 1. Now find f1, comma, fn is equal to 2n plus 1, comma, and or we can say this one, right? Now what is this and what is this? Yes, we know capital N means natural numbers. Natural numbers. Now what is this? उल्टा ए, इसे कहते हैं बेटा फॉर ऑल। क्या कहते हैं इसको? फॉर ऑल। और ये क्या है? इसे कहते हैं बिलोंग्स टू। बिलोंग्स टू, ओके। एंड दिस वन इज नेचुरल नंबर, एंड एन मीन्स नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 6। क्लियर? सो fn is equal to 2n plus 1 for all n belongs to capital N. So this one is called for all and this is called belongs to, and this one is called natural numbers. ठीक है? अभी 11th क्लास में और भी बहुत से सिम्बॉल्स हैं, वो हमें आपको आगे चल के बताना है। क्लियर? दे आर ग्रीक लेटर्स, ओके। सो फॉर ऑल एन बिलोंग्स टू कैपिटल एन। नाउ यू नो वेरी वेल, दिस वन इज फॉर ऑल एंड दिस इज बिलोंग्स टू। क्लियर? सो एफ एन इज इक्वल टू 2n plus 1 फॉर ऑल एन बिलोंग्स टू कैपिटल एन। नाउ फाइंड f1, दैट मीन्स पुट n इज इक्वल टू 1, f1, राइट? सो 2 इंटू, आपको सिर्फ n की जगह क्या रखना है? 1। सो 2 इंटू 1 प्लस 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. So we got the value of f1 is 3. Now f2, clear? f2, put the value of n as 2. So f2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1. Now 4 plus 1, 5. So this is the value of f2. Now we have f1 as 3, f2 as 5. Similarly, yes, tell me f3 is equal to 3, 5. Difference is 2. Definitely f3 is equal to 7. Okay. f4 is equal to 9. Okay. So there is a definite rule, and the rule is 2n plus 1. So it is called sequence. Clear? तो बेटा सीक्वेंस में क्या लगता है? एक डेफिनेट रूल लगता है। ठीक है? नाउ आई थिंक यू नो वेरी वेल व्हाट इज सीक्वेंस. सो द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सीक्वेंस इज, अगेन यू कैन राइट इट, द नंबर्स which are arranged in definite order is called sequence. Clear? Now, next definition is series. So, we know very well what is sequence. Now, we will see series. So, what is the definition of series? If we write sequence, short form of sequence, SEQ dot sequence with the sign means plus minus, okay, then it is called series. It is called series. मतलब सबसे पहले आपने क्या समझा? सीक्वेंस. सीक्वेंस क्या होता है? 1, 2, 3, 4 डैश डैश डैश. अब अगर कॉमा की जगह प्लस या माइनस आ जाए तो वो क्या बन जाएगी बेटा? सीरीज. ये है डेफिनेशन ऑफ सीरीज. सो इफ वी राइट, अभी हमने क्या देखा था? 2, 5, 8, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 2, 5, 8, राइट. ये क्या है बेटा? सीक्वेंस. अब यहाँ कॉमा की जगह क्या लगा दे? प्लस प्लस, राइट. नाउ वी कैन से दिस इज सीरीज. तो सीक्वेंस से क्या बनाया बेटा हमने? सीरीज बनाया. नाउ देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ series. There are two types of series. Number 1, finite, and number 2, infinite. Okay, series, and this one is infinite series. Okay, so there are two types of series. One is finite series. Second one is infinite series. Finite, that means if we have the terms which are limited, then the series is called finite. Again, when the terms of series are infinite, then it is called finite series. Clear? So the definition of finite series. If the number of terms are limited, we can say limited, then it is called finite series, right? For example, 2 plus 5 plus 8 dash dash up to 40 terms. 40 terms. It means we have to write 40 terms, where first term is 2, second term is 5, third term is 8, next term is 11, next term is 14. So we have to write up to 40 terms. Then we can say the series is finite series. Clear? Now next definition is infinite series. So it is clear that if the numbers of terms are not limited, then it is called infinite series. Okay. So the definition of infinite series is, we can say, see, yes, see, infinite series, infinite series. If the number of terms are not limited, then it is called infinite series. Infinite series. Clear? For example, 2 plus 5 plus 8 dash dash dash. Right? Now we can say the series is infinite series. Clear? So what is sequence? The numbers, the arrangement of numbers are in definite rule, then it is called sequence. If we write sequence with the sign, then it is called series. There are two types of series. One is finite and second one is infinite series. What is the definition of finite series? If the numbers of terms are limited, then we can say the series is finite. And infinite series, if the number of terms are not limited, that means uncountable, clear? Then it is called infinite series. Clear? Now progression. Okay, now come to progression. So first of all we see sequence. With the help of sequence we made series. Now with the help of series we have to make progression. So what is the definition of progression? Clear? See. Yes, see. Progression. Okay. If we write the series and apply some rule, apply definite rule, then it is called progression. बढ़ता हुआ, प्रोग्रेस मतलब क्या होता है? प्रोग्रेस मीन्स बढ़ना, आगे बढ़ना, progression. So if we write the series and apply definite rule, then it is called progression. Clear? Now there are three types of progression. There are three types of progression. Number one, arithmetic progression. Second one is geometric progression, right? And third one is harmonic progression. Clear? So there are three types of progression. First one is arithmetic progression, second one is geometric progression, and third one is harmonic progression. Clear? Again we see, first we saw sequence. What is sequence? Definite order. Then it is called sequence. If we write sequence with the sign, then it is called series. There are two types of series, finite and infinite. Clear? And if we write series and apply definite rule, then it is called progression. And there are three types of progression. First one is arithmetic progression, second one is geometric progression, and third one is harmonic progression. Clear? Okay. So in next video we will see exercise as well as some theory. Thank you.